Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This is our moment, so long, the sky is the limit. Kaya natin to, we own the future. This is the moment, so long, the sky is the limit. Sama-sama, dahil together, we own the future.
They say a legacy is defined by the long-lasting impact of one's actions during a particular moment in time.
Cuenco, perfect on that trip. Laban nila as Liwag scores the opening basket here. Simula.
The Benil Blazers may have lost Game 1, but time has not run out on them just yet.
I expect us to come out much better. I expect us, I guess, I'd like to say I expect us to win. So we just have to find a way to prepare and try to bounce back. But Mapua's a really good team, pero I think we can compete with them.
Series naman to eh. Pero ilan yung talagang maging mindset mo, huwag ka lang suko. Di pa naman tapos eh.
For a win today will preserve their promise of a championship.
Sanko, yes!
Ayun naman.
Eusebio got
Ayun
the hop, counted!
The Mapua Cardinals believe that their time is now.
Copilla needs to take. Copilla drops it in.
Gagawin lang namin yung best namin, pero ayun, di pa rin sigurado kasi tulad last year, parang na-jinx yung finals namin eh. Kasi Game 1 nakuha namin, parang naging komportable kami sa Game 2.
They've shown that they have learned from their mistakes in the past and are ready to take the throne.
Momentum to para sa amin eh, and syempre medyo mababa yung moral nila sa kabilang kukunan, and use this as an advantage para hindi na kami umabot ng Game 3. Kailangan ma-finish namin, maka-execute kami sa Game 2 and tapusin na namin.
Perfect anticipation as Gammy's on the way!
The clock is ticking. The time to crown a new champion beckons. Here in Game 2, legacies are on the line.